Welcome to Megla Nurses Academy. Today we are going to discuss about concept of the health. Health is evolved over the centuries as a concept from individual concern to worldwide social goal and encompasses the whole quality of life. Health is evolved or developed from the centuries as a concept from individual concern to worldwide social goal and which includes the whole quality of life. Here we have four concepts of the health. The first one is a biomedical concept. The second one is a ecological concept. Third one is a psychosocial concept. And the fourth one is holistic concept. See this picture. The first one is a biomedical concept. Second one is ecological concept. Third one is a psychosocial concept. And the fourth one is a holistic concept. Let us discuss one by one. Traditionally, health has been viewed as an absence of disease, and if one was free from a disease, then the person was considered as a healthy. So according to this biomedical concept, one who is free from the disease condition or absence of the disease, he is considered as a healthy person. Biomedical concept means that is the absence of the disease only, and according to this concept, human body is considered as a machine. Disease is considered as a consequences of the breakdown, and doctor's task is repairing the machine. According to this biomedical concept, microorganism only causing the disease condition. So the microorganisms enters into the human body which causes diseases or illness. This concept has the basis in the germ theory of disease. So which is developed, this biomedical concept developed from the germ theory of the disease. The medical profession viewed the human body as a machine. Disease as a consequences of breakdown of the machine, and one of the doctor's task as a repairing the machine. Some of the limitations are there in the biomedical concept. It has minimized the role of environmental, social, psychological and cultural determinants of the health, because all the disease conditions are not caused by the microorganism. Some of the environmental factors, social factors and psychological factors and cultural factors are also responsible for causing the disease condition. So this is a limitation of the biomedical concept. Next we will move to the ecological concept. What does it mean by ecology? That is the study of the relationship between the organisms and their environment and the balances between these relationships. Here some of the words are in blue in color and some words are in red in color, like air, carbon dioxide, oxygen, sunlight, water all comes under the abiotic factors, and insects, plants, microorganisms, reptiles, mammals and birds are comes under the biotic factors. So in the ecological factor, some of the living things are there and some of the non-living things also there. From the ecological point of view, health is viewed as a dynamic equilibrium between human being and the environment. So according to this ecological concept, health is viewed as a dynamic equilibrium, that is a balance between the human body and the environment. So according to this ecological concept, what is meant by disease? That is a maladjustment of the human organism to the environment. So one who is getting adjustment with the living and non-living things, they will be free from the disease condition. One who is not able to adjust with the living and non-living things which is present in the environment, which leads to disease condition. According to the ecological concept, health implies the relative absence of pain and discomfort and continuous adaptation and adjustment to the environment to ensure optimal function. So according to this ecological concept, health implies the relative absence of the pain and the discomfort, and continuous adaptation and adjustment is needed with the environment. This concept supports the need for clean air, safe water, ozonic layer in the atmosphere, etc. to protect us from exposure to the unhealthy factors. The ecological concept raises two issues, that is imperfect man and imperfect environment. Next, we will move to the psychosocial concept. Before going to discuss about the psychosocial concept, you must know what is meant by psychosocial health. The psychosocial health includes emotional health, social health, mental health, spiritual health. Emotional health means that is a feeling, and social health means that is related to the society, and mental health is thinking, and spiritual health is related to the spirituality. According to the psychosocial concept, health is not only biomedical phenomena but is influenced by social, psychological, cultural, ecological, and political factors of the people concerned. That means, according to this psychosocial concept, health is not only a biomedical phenomena. That means disease is not only caused by the microorganism. Other social factors, psychological factors, cultural factors, ecological factors, and political factors also causing the disease condition. Many factors are responsible for health status. You see this picture, all the individuals must have these qualities. Then only that person is considered as a psychologically very strong person. They must have the self-awareness, coping with the emotions, coping with the stress, maintaining the interpersonal relationship, and maintain the effective communication with the others. And they must have the empathy on others, and they must have the creative thinking and critical thinking to solve the problem, and decision making capacity and problem solving skill. Next, we will move to the holistic concept. This concept is the synthesis of all the above concept. They are biomedical concept, ecological concept, and psychosocial concept. So this holistic concept is a combination of biomedical concept, ecological concept, psychosocial concept. It recognizes the strength of social, economic, political, and environmental influences on health. You see this picture, emotional, mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual, all the determinants of influencing the health status. All these determinants or factors are responsible for causing the disease condition also. So all the biomedical concept, ecological concept, psychosocial concept, all are included in the holistic concept, because microorganisms also causing the disease condition, some of the living things and non-living things which is present in the environment also causing the disease condition, and some of the emotional factors, spiritual factors, psychological factors also causing the disease condition. It describes health as a unified or multi-dimensional process involving the well-being of whole person in context of his environment. So many factors are responsible for causing the disease condition, because many factors influencing the health status. Holistic concept implies that all sectors of society have an effect on the health. Thank you all.